Hey, what is up my beautiful creators, and today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how I make my thumbnails on YouTube. So let's get right into it. This is a very quick process on how I make my thumbnails on YouTube, which are very high quality. Well, I think it's very high quality. But before I get into the video, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. So let's get right into the video. So you're going to go in Photoshop. Here's my setting that I use for my YouTube thumbnail, and this size and width and height and everything is perfectly for YouTube thumbnails. So when I go to upload my videos, I just click upload thumbnail, and it's at the perfect resolution, perfect height, perfect width and everything. So you can go ahead and copy these settings right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit create, assuming you guys copy these settings right here. So hit create, and let's go to this lovely website where I use to remove my backgrounds. I also have a video up on my channel how I remove my backgrounds in Photoshop, but yeah, you can go ahead and check that out. But I'm gonna go and find my image that I want to remove. So I'm gonna do a video. Let's say I'm gonna do a video about MKBHD, Cardi B and Casey Neistat. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag in MKBHD, and MKBHD background is gonna remove. I'm gonna hit download, that's MKBHD. Then I'm gonna use Casey Neistat, drag in Casey Neistat, and also hit download. And then I'm gonna use, let's say I'm gonna use Cardi B, that nice image in the mirror, hit download, bada boom, bada bing, and everything is download. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and drag in my image in Photoshop. There's MKBHD. I'm gonna put him to the left because his shirt is cut out, so put him to the left, why not? And I'm gonna go for the next image right here, which is Cardi B. Let's put it in the middle for now, and hit that check mark. And then I'm gonna go for Casey Neistat last but not least. And Casey Neistat is kind of small compared to the rest of the image, so I'm gonna just go ahead and size it up real quick. So there it is, perfectly. So what do you want to do, guys? After this, you want to make them pop. So how I make them pop is basically I add a outer glow effect. So there, I'm gonna use blue for Casey Neistat because why not? And I'm gonna use pink for Cardi B because why not? Outer glow, change that to pink real quick, bada boom, bada bing. And then MKBHD, let's use white for MKBHD because why not? Let's use white, bada boom, bada bing. And we basically got our layout there. And what I love to do is just add a nice gradient for the background. So let's add a nice gradient. Let's use black and yellow, I guess. Let's try black and yellow because why not? Or even black and red, it doesn't matter, guys. Let's just use black and yellow for now. And that lovely black and yellow right there. And what I'm gonna do is put these guys closer together here so I can have space to add my text. And I'm just gonna hit T on my keyboard and just type in YouTubers. Let's say that's the title of my video. As you guys, just an example. Let's just type in YouTubers, and we'll put it here. And what I love to do is just add either a drop shadow or a stroke or even an outer glow to my text. But for this case, I'm just gonna add a drop shadow to make the text kind of pop. And that's basically it, guys. But what I would normally do is put my logo here because you know branding is key on YouTube. So always try to put your logo so you know, hey, it's Danielle Ridley or whatever, so you know, hey, that's his brand. And you just have that on all your thumbnails so people get to know your brand and get familiar with your brand. So once they see that logo, they know, hey, it's that guy. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if this video was helpful. Also comment down below if you have a faster way to make thumbnails in Photoshop or in any other software, and let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful or not. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share with a friend who wants to make some awesome thumbnail. Until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.